Today we will be installing a new solution for the 2020 to 2023 Hyundai Sonata, the 107HY1. To start, unclip and remove the trim that is located directly below the radio. Unclip the trim behind the radio and unfasten the two Phillips screws. Remove the two Phillips screws securing the AC vent panel. Next, open the passenger door, then separate the trim panel from the side of the dashboard. Following that, remove the one Phillips screw. Then unclip, unplug, and remove. After removing the AC vent panel, remove the three screws that secure the radio. Then unclip and slide the radio before unplugging and removing. This kit is designed specifically for Pioneer modular 6.8-inch radios, and a Pioneer extension cable is recommended for installation. Secure the brackets to the radio chassis with the 4 screws supplied with the radio. Metra recommends using the proper adapter from Metra or Access. Visit metraonline.com or accessinterface.com for antenna adapters, audio, video, and steering wheel control interface options. After assembling the new kit to your aftermarket radio, reassemble the dash in reverse order of disassembly to complete this installation. For any more information on this product or other brands, you can visit metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, or follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 Volt.